Guys, it's cleaning time and then feeding time also. This is Rafa. Madilim. Ayan, si Ramba kumakain na. And then, si Abraham. No, Abraham, no? Wala busy sa puti. Malinis na, malinis. Gawin dito. Extra food. Just in case. So, yan, malinis. Yung kwarto nila, yan, may electric fan pa yan. Wala pa. Ay ka lang ba dyan? Beautiful. Sige. Ikaw, boss. Boss, okay ka lang ba? Okay ka lang? Okay, ito muna. So, it's already clean. Tapos na. Ayan. So, this all for tonight. Bye, guys. Bye, Rafa.